Hello everybody and welcome back to Jazzy61. As you probably could guess, today's video is of course going to be a hair tutorial. My hair is drying right now. I just washed it. Let me uncover my ears so I can hear. I'm echoing myself. Okay, I just washed my hair, so I'm gonna let it air dry for a couple hours, whatever I need to do, get it braided back up, and I'm gonna put my hair back up into a style. So I'm gonna show you guys the hair that I ordered. I previously did the unboxing on camera. It got lost. I don't know what happened to it, but it's gone. So I'm going to do that again for you guys right now, just so you can see all the products that I have. And then I'm going to tell you guys my idea of how I'm going to try to do this. So this style idea actually came from another YouTuber. I watch a lot of her videos. Her name is tastePINK. I'll try to leave that name down there so you guys can see it as well. But she did a kind of, not a lazy girl crochet, but it was a braidless crochet. And it was $16 for her. I spent $20 on it myself. So I'm going to show you guys the hair, and then I'm going to tell you guys my idea of how I'm going to attempt to do the style. So here's my box. Oh, let me back some. Here is my box. I ordered this hair from samsbeauty.com. I ordered it on a Saturday night. It was like midnight when I ordered it. They shipped it on Monday. I got it on Wednesday. I did the flat rate shipping. They had some pretty good sales going on the website as well, which is why I like purchasing my hair through samsbeauty.com. So basically, the shipping was a flat rate, which they always have a flat rate shipping. It's like $3.99, $4.99 if you spend over a certain amount. Well, the day I ordered my hair, there wasn't a limit. It was just, if you buy something, you can get the flat rate shipping. And the flat rate shipping was $1.99, which I was like, ooh, yeah. And I did not know that their flat rate shipping is 2-day shipping. Like on there, I believe it says that it's like standard shipping. And it's like 4 to 7 business days or 5 to 7 business days, something like that. And it actually came into, let me see if I can show you guys the 2-day shipping. Hold on. Boop. Here we go. So you can see up there, priority mail 2-day. And I didn't know that. I hadn't even read the other box. That's probably why I got my hair so fast last time. Anywho, so in addition to the flat rate shipping, they also had a buy one, get one on the hair that I was purchasing, which is even better. It was $7.99 a pack, and I purchased 2 packs, but I got 4 packs. So here is the hair. It is the LULUTRESS 3x pre-loop crochet braid, and it is sensational as well. So I'll show you guys. There's the package. There's a flap up there. And I ordered it in the color 1. They didn't have 1B again. I don't know. I guess like some of the more natural hair tones are gone most of the time. So I got it in the 1. 1 is a jet black, which people have jet black hair too, but my hair is like a blackish brown. But even when I wear blacks, you can't really tell the difference between my hair and the synthetic or whatever hair I'm using at the time. It is 10 inches and it is pre-looped, but I'm probably going to take some of the loops out, especially around the front. Okay, so I also ordered a wig cap, and this was $1.99. So for 4 packs of hair, my shipping, which was 2-day, and this wig cap, I spent $20, which I think is pretty good, because you're going to spend more if you actually go into a store to buy the hair. Just saying. Because the hairs was $7.99 a pack before the buy one get one. So $8 for 4 packs. Yeah, $32. Anywho, so my idea was I was going to do it just like she did hers. She did a ponytail to the back with a deep kind of a U-part type of thing to the side. And she just put her hair back. And then she did a bun at the very back. She plaited the ends of her ponytail, and then she kind of wrapped it around. And then she did a wig cap on top of it. And to anchor the cap, she crocheted hair around the base or whatever, the nape of the neck, things like that. Well, I was going to do that, but I don't think I'm going to do it this time. I think I'm going to try it the way I normally do it. So what I'm going to do is probably about 10 to 12 braids at the front, about 5 to 6 braids at the back. I'm going to connect the braids at the back and the ones from the front. So it's going to be like 2 go into 1 type of thing. But the way I'm going to braid it, I think I'm going to do it on a slope, on a little slant. And I'm probably going to do a braid across the top, if that makes any sense. So it's going to be braids back, 10 to 12 braids going back, and then they're going to be connected by 1 braid across the top, and then the rest of them are going to go kind of back down like that. And that's how I think I'm going to do my braiding pattern, because the way this hair it falls, it's kind of a wavy pattern, but unlike the afro hair that I do, you'll be able to probably see if there's a gap right here. But with that braid right across the top, it'll cover that. You can do zigzags. I see people do zigzag at the back when they have a wavier textured hair. I'm just not that good braiding from side to side. I'm gonna be 100% honest. I'm not great going from side to side. I can go right to left. I can't go left to right. Yeah. So I can go, wait, no. I can go left to right. I can't go right to left. There it is. Okay, so that's what I think I'm going to do with this hair. I have some stuff coming up, so I need my hair done like quickly. Literally, I'm going out of town tomorrow. I usually give myself a couple of days to see how I like the hair before I go and do things, but I ran out of time. We had the emergency. We just got back in town recently. My husband's birthday is today, so it's kind of a busy week for me. So I'm going to do this hair and see how it looks. Now it's all 10 inches. When I saw tastePINK's, she did it and she didn't have to cut it because since it was all 10 inch, it kind of just fell the way it was supposed to, I guess you can say. It kind of just fell right on the shoulder, which is usually where I wear my hair anyway. I do longer hair every now and again, but it's less likely. I'm going to be honest with you guys. Especially when it's warmer like it is right now. That long hair, boy, to get you. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to go in and do my braids. My little piece fell out the back. I'm going to go ahead and do my braids. I'm going to let my hair dry, so I'm going to go and detangle. I'm going to plait it for a little bit, let it dry. And then I'm going to go in and do my braids. And my braids sit for a little while. And then I'm going to go back in and do the hair. Because like I said, we have to leave out of here tomorrow morning. And it's already night, just about. The sun's about to go down. And I have not done this head of mine. Granted, I'll have some time to rest tomorrow night. So, okay. I'm going to go in here and get it going. And another thing in the box that sambeauty.com sent, they also sent like this little thing. It has like little coupon type deal stuff with it. Like this is just for free shipping over, certain amount of things. And then back here, they do the same with the different types of virgin hairs. And then they got a list of wigs. They have hair oils and products and other types of braiding hair, crochet hair that has like discounts on it. For instance, the water wave, the free trust water wave, I see a lot of people do their hair with that. They have it original price for $9.99. They have it for $5.99. And the same with like oh look, here's like another one, the LULUTRESS hair. See, this one is $12.99 and they have it for $6.99. So it's pretty cool. They send little deal sheets and things like that. And maybe it's because I just order hair from them all the time. I just like them. I think they do really good. This stuff comes really fast. It's always correct. So I like them. So I'm going to go in here and pick my hair out a little bit, I guess. And then I'm going to plait it up for a little while. Let it kind of air dry. Probably going to lay down because I have a headache. And then I'm going to go ahead and get my braids going. And I'll come back and let you guys see my braid pattern. Alright guys, I'm back. I have finished my braids. I'm going to sleep on them and finish my hair in the morning. I like to get my braids sometime to loosen up. I hate when I do them and the braids be so tight and then you put the hair in on the braids and then it feels like I'm trying to snatch your scalp out the entire time your hair is over like a while. So I'm going to sleep on these and then come back in the morning. But I did want to show you guys what they look like. So I ended up doing way more braids at the front than I thought I was going to do. I ended up doing 14 at the front and 7 at the back. Now I can't see the back of my head, so y'all don't judge my life. Okay, so here's the front. Not the bestest braids in the world, but they hold. It's all that matter, guys. As you can see, I do not touch my edges. No. I had Lady talk to me at the store the other day. She was like, I wish I had your hair. I wish I had your edges. I was like, I'm sorry. Keep your edges, people. So I leave mine alone. So these little hairs up here, they are free to roam, okay? They roam as much as they want to until I slick them down and they can't roam no more. I do the same thing at the back. I do not touch my kitchens. I let them bad boys be, okay? I like to have the hair back here just the same way I like to have the hair up here. I don't like being bald on my neck and on my forehead. My head too big for that. So I'm gonna show you guys the back now. You see it? Let me step up. And the thing about the back, I can't see it. So don't judge my life because I can't see the back of my head. All right, I tried. Yeah. So this is the piece that's left out, which I'm going to crochet through the braid that it's on, and that'll be that. A lot of people sew it down, but it takes too long. I don't like doing all that. So here's my braids. And I'll see you guys in the morning to finish. Okay guys, it's the next morning. I'm up really early because my husband has to go in for a little bit and then we're gonna take off. And I'm gonna try to lay down for a little while before then. So one thing I didn't mention last night was the reason why my braids are like this slope on this side is because that's where I like my hair to fall. And I don't do it on both sides because then my hair will kind of have like double bangs falling in my face. I do not like that. So one side has the slope so that they fall this way, and then this side just kind of lays down. Kind of more of a natural look. So this is one pack of hair. I have not got my mousse yet. One thing I have noticed is that this hair does shed a lot, which is something that she mentioned, tastePINK mentioned in her video, that it does have some excess shed hairs. The thing about it is I thought this hair was pre-looped. It is not. So it's just kind of sitting like placed on these little things in there, and it just looks looped, but it's not. Well, it's technically pre-looped, but it doesn't have the rubber band on it. Because my initial idea was to just put the hair in with the rubber band on it at the back and make the back kind of as dense and as thick as I can make it, because since I'm not using that net, then I have parting, which is another reason why I did so many braids back there. That way it kind of has more coverage. So I'm going to go back in and try to get as much of it done as I can before my honey gets back. And then if I don't finish it, then I'll just do it when I get there, I guess. That's why we're leaving the night before, or day before. Give me time to rest as well as so we can find where I'm going. Cause like I said, I don't like being late. So I'll be back after I finish this next section because I want to make sure you guys see how I did the top, so you kind of get an idea of what it looks like to do the front of it, so it doesn't look bulky and awkward like the back. And since this hair is not pre-looped, putting it in the sections that it gives you, it slips out. It's way too easy to slip out. So and I haven't mastered how to keep it in without it slipping out. It's this big, so you can actually split this hair. I've been splitting it 2 to 3 times at the back just so it won't slide, and I'm knotting it or I'm looping it 5 to 6 times. I'm over here. Okay, so I'm splitting it 3 to 4 times or 4 to 5 times, and what is it, 4 to 6 times? 5 to 6 times. There it is. I'm tripping. I'm looping it 5 to 6 times, and I'm splitting the hair into 2 to 3 sections. That was right. I leaned all the way back over again. Yeah. Okay, guys, I lied. I said that this was the first pack. This was not the first pack. This was a piece of the first pack. I completely forgot the second part of the other 2 sections of the pack. And I done opened a whole new pack of hair. I literally just walked in here and was like, where's the little back thing that was in the package? Why haven't I seen it? And it's because I opened a whole nother section, another pack of hair, and didn't realize it. So this is not one pack. This is a third of a pack. Okay, so I could not finish. I got most of the pack done. I'll finish it when we get to our hotel or whatever. We needed to get on the road. So I'll finish it when we get there. And I'll show you guys the process of the front and everything. I also have to stop somewhere and get some mousse because I don't have any mousse. And I don't usually get expensive mousse. I get some cheap mousse because it's a synthetic hair and it's not like it's going to matter, just as long as it gives it a hold and keep the hair from getting all fuzzy. So I'll pop back once we get there and show you guys what it looks like when I get done. Alright guys, so this is where I am so far. We are at our hotel room. As you can see them over there laying down. I am through a pack and a piece of a second pack. I have this much on the side, but I'm going to go back in, of course, with some little pieces like I always do and fill in the back more. I think it should be fuller. It kind of looks, I don't know, skimpy to me. Like it should be thicker. So I'm going to go back in, which is why I brought that pack back there. I'm going to try to finish this. This is what I have left of my second pack, which is a third of the pack. And then I'll come back so you guys can see what it looks like. Done. Okay guys, so I've got my hair completely installed. I'll do touch-ups and add pieces and things in the morning. And it's like 1 a.m. now, so I need to go to bed because I hate to be somewhere by 11:30. But this is what it looks like. Finished. I have not cut this hair. This is just how it falls. So I'll probably do a little trim on tomorrow maybe. And I'll be showing you guys what it looks like completely finished tomorrow when I do my hair and everything. So, hey guys. Alright, so this is what I look like after everything is done, guys. I'm going to do some more trimming, of course, when I get back home. But right now, I have to go. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, I hope this helps somebody. Hope you guys like this tutorial. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.